Welcome to the Wonder Trading channel. In this video, we will show you how to use paper trading on the Wonder Trading platform. If you want to learn how to use paper trading and how it can help you improve your trading skills and strategies without risking real money, then this video is for you. So, let's get started. Paper trading is a method that allows traders to make trades and monitor market movements without the risk of losing real money. Instead of real money, traders use paper funds to execute trades on real market data. Paper trading is available for all functions provided by the Wonder Trading platform. This means that it can be used for trading in the trading terminal, as well as for spread trading strategies, DCA, and even for automated trading bots. Let's take a closer look at how to use paper trading in the Wonder Trading platform. First of all, we need to create the paper trading API on Wonder Trading. To do this, go to My Exchanges tab and click the Add Exchange button. In the side menu that will appear, select the tab Paper Trading. After that, you can select any exchange from which you would like to feed the real market data. By selecting a specific exchange, you will be able to trade trading pairs available on this exchange. Fill in the required information and create new API connection. Your paper trading account will be created and you will have $10,000 balance of virtual currency to start. At any time you can renew the trading balance to $10,000 by going to the My Exchanges tab, finding the paper trading account, and clicking the Renew button. Let's try to open a trade through the trading terminal. To do this, go to the Terminal tab and activate the paper trading function. Select your exchange and the previously created API. Set the necessary settings according to your trading strategy and open a trade. So, as you can see, we have opened a trade in paper trading mode. This trades will be marked with the corresponding symbol. Let's initiate a trade using DCA mode. Please return to the terminal, activate paper trading, and choose the DCA mode. Configure the necessary parameters and execute the trade. You can view trades made in this specific mode in dedicated tabs here. For trading in the spreads and arbitrage mode, we need to set up two API connections. You can use either two identical exchanges or two different ones. Let's add another exchange, for example. Return to the terminal and set the necessary settings in spreads and arbitrage mode with paper trading function. Open a spread trade. In addition to using the paper trading feature for manual trading in the terminal, you can also use it for your automated trading bots. To create a trading bot, select the My Bots tab and click Add New. Write a bot name, activate paper trading mode, and select the previously added paper API connection. For automated trading, copy and paste the comments into your strategy and also create an alert that will send this comment to the Wonder Trading platform. You can learn more about setting up trading strategies in one of our videos on this channel. After creating alert signals, save the bot. That's all. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel and best of luck with your trading.